You want to talk about some crazy stuff happening? If you didn't see what went on today, it was pure corruption. Man, I'm so fired up. Boy, everybody got me mad today. Wall Street, you're going down. Hedge fund managers, it's over. Man, hit the tape. So if you don't know what went on, today is January 28th, 2021. And today is the day that Wall Street straight up stole money from us, the middle class, the hard-working man and women of this nation. They went in and took your cash. Now, to break down kind of what happened today was, for a little while, GameStop, a couple other stocks like BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond, others that had kind of been trending downwards, these big hedge fund managers had betted on those companies going down further. So they've shorted those companies. So the little man and a pack of other Reddit folks started to buy up those shares so that it would push that price up and it would push those hedge managers to buy some more of that stock, and it would just push them out of the game. It's like David and Goliath. And we're sitting here with 5 stones twirling them around, and Goliath is standing there 9 foot tall. And everybody's watching. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But the story doesn't end like the Bible story, where David swirls it around, throws that rock, it hits Goliath in the head, and Goliath falls down, and then David comes and chops off his head, and he becomes king. No, it don't happen that way. It's a little bit different. Pretty much what happens is Goliath comes in, takes all the rocks away, gathers up some more rocks, and just starts throwing them at people. Okay, maybe it's not anything like that, but it is like this. Just imagine you're walking into Chick-fil-A and you're hungry. You know that food's gonna fill you up. You walk up to the counter and the receptionist is like, "Hello, how are you doing? Are you having a blessed day today?" And you're like, "Yeah, I'm having a great day, but I'm really hungry and I think I want that number 1 right there." And she's like, "We can do that for you. What would you like to drink?" And you're like, "You know what? I think I'd like a lemonade. I think a lemonade would be great." "Yes, sir, we can surely give you a lemonade." And then you're thinking like, "Man, this is great. I'm about to get me a sandwich. I'm about to get me some lemonade. I'm about to get me some waffle fries. Yeah, I'd maybe like some fruit too. Would you put that in there?" "Yes, I will definitely put some fruit in there for you." I mean, you getting the whole shebang. You getting the number 1 original chicken sandwich. You getting the lemonade. You getting the fruit cup. You getting some waffle fries. Boy, you about to fill up, let me tell you. And then she's like, "Yes, sir, that'll be $9.72. And you're like, "Okay, well, here you go. Here's my debit card." And this is what happened. She takes your debit card, swipes it, and gives you a receipt back. And the receipt says $34.27. $34.27? I ain't buy that much stuff. I just wanted one number 1 with a fruit cup and a lemonade. "I'm sorry, sir, but that's $34.27. Let me tell you, straight up stealing money. And after that, you know what she does? She takes your debit card. She takes your debit card. She don't even give it back. You know what she's gonna probably do? She's probably gonna go down to Kohl's and buy some bedding or something like that. In reality of what happened today, the Robinhood app shut down trading for a lot of stocks. And those stocks were not able to purchase anymore. And the only option they gave those stocks were to sell. Well, if you're only given one option to sell, people are going to sell. And what's going to happen when you start selling? The price is going to go down, and it's going to continue to go down. When nobody is able to buy something and just sell stock, the price is going to continue to go down. That is exactly what they did. They lowered the price so that their big boys could get out of their shorts. It was blatant manipulation of the stock market today. It wasn't just Robinhood, it was a bunch of other trading platforms too. But oh, do they not know what type of power and what they have awakened in the world. So here's the deal. How do we go about dealing with this? Because they're just making rules up. They're just changing the rules. They're doing whatever they want. Let me tell you, and this ain't the first time it's happened. It's happened before. But today, we know about a lot more stuff than we did in years past because of the internet. Thank you, Al Gore, and all these people talking and everybody sharing information. We know a lot more of what's going on, and people are tired of it. We talking about United States of America. Today we saw United Thieves of America. And this little Asian boy from Alabama is done with it. So you ask the question, what am I gonna do? What are you gonna do? What should we do? First thing you need to do is delete the Robinhood app. Get off that app, get away from it. Because if they can do that and steal your money, they're gonna do it again. Number 2, you better start buying some crypto. You've probably got some favorites out there, and I've got my favorites too. Let me tell you, money is gonna move to a decentralized currency. The dollar, the pound, the yen, the gecko, whatever you wanna call the currency, that stuff is a bunch of junk. And it is being manipulated right in front of our eyes. Do I believe you need to put your whole life savings in crypto? No, you need some money to pay rent. You gotta have cash to go out and do things. But if you wanna start investing, you better start really looking at crypto and taking into account that that may be a better mode of investment than going into the stock market. Third and final thing, be sure that you know how to take care of your family. Because what we're seeing, if you know how to take care of your family, they can't touch you. You need to be able to know if they took everything in your bank account away, that you could go out and you could hustle and you could provide for your family. There is nothing more important than that right now. Knowing that you can provide the needs for your family. So if this is a time that we really need to evaluate our lives, and if it's them stealing money from us and manipulating the market like they have to make us realize that this is a time that we really need to evaluate our lives and cut the things out that don't need to be there, then by God, it's a good day. Hey, I want to thank you for tuning in. I know this one was a little bit crazier than some of my other videos. If you hit that subscribe button, man, that would be great. Hit that like button. Share it with a friend. This is Middle Class Man Chris Taylor coming at you. Love you. Stay true to who you are. Work hard, and you're going to be all right.